Alright, hey, it's Mustang Stampede, working on the 2023 Tundra. This thing needs some mud flaps. You can see that the mud flies up the side of it pretty good. And then right there is the start of the power running board. And as the mud flies up behind there, the mud lands on the power running board. So I found these on Amazon. They fit pretty good. Some people don't like the overlap right here over top of this piece. It is molded to fit into that gap. So for 55 bucks, I think I'll probably run these for a while, and then I'm going to switch maybe to the Rec Gen because I really like the way they look. So anyway, I've already done the front and rear on the driver's side. You're going to remove your factory bolt here, 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 and over there, and then there's one on the bottom that'll be on the tab right there. So it's actually like around the corner, right? Super easy. I believe that was 8mm, maybe 10mm. I did have to push in towards the truck as I started to tighten these down, get them all started pretty decent, and then push over and then start to tighten them down. That way you keep a nice tight gap around that edge. All right, here's what they look like from that side. All right, now one interesting thing that I'll note that most people don't like about the Tundra here is that this flares out. That's not a mud flap design. That is the truck design. So anyway, I've already done this side. There's an indentation right here. You got your factory bolt, factory bolt, factory bolt, and then they provide some screws that will go one there and one there on your back mud flap. So anyway, that's what these mud flaps look like. I'll put a link in the description. Again, they're like 55 bucks. For 55 bucks, they're going to get the job done for now until maybe I decide to move to Rec Gen. It's spring here. Everything is muddy. Everything is dirty. So I just picked this truck up on Thursday, and I wanted mud flaps on it immediately. So hey, I'll put the link in the description. Super easy install. Let's check that millimeter real quick. Yep, it was a 10mm. That's all you need. So as always, thanks for watching.